Which one of the following relations are functions? Give reasons if it is a function and determine its domain and range. Okay, so the first question is 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Okay, so the first element in each set is called input and the second element in each set is called output. Okay, here 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 are the first elements which are called as inputs, whereas 1 in each one in each pair is called as output. Okay, so the second element in each pair is called as output, first element in each pair is called as input. Okay, so plotting it in arrow diagram, we have input 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. In output we have 1 only. Okay, so 2 is related to 1, 5 is related to 1, 8 is related to 1, 11 is related to 1, 14 is related to 1 and 17 is related to 1. Okay, from the diagram we can write the given relation represents a function. Okay, because each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, so in this problem each input is corresponds to a single output, so it is a function. Okay, so the domain, so input is the domain, so 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 are the inputs. So the domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Okay, so the range is the output. Okay, here range is 1. Okay, so output side we have only 1 which is associated with all the given inputs. Okay, so the range is 1. Okay, so the second question is 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. Okay, so first element in each set is in each pair is called as input and the second element in each pair is called as output. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are the inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the outputs. Okay, so draw the input and output in the arrow diagram. Okay, so plot the numbers. So 2 is associated with 1, 4 is associated with 2, 6 is associated with 3, 8 associated with 4, 10 associated with 5, 12 associated with 6, 14 associated with 7. Okay, from this diagram we can conclude that it is a function. So the given relation represents the function because each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, so the domain is the input and so this is the domain. Okay, domain. So in the domain we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So output side we have range. Okay, each number in the output is associated with the input. So we have range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the next question 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Okay, in this question in the input we have, in input side we have 1, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 2. But we should write here we have 1 as 2 times, but we should write in the input side 1 as 1 time only. Okay, and 2. So in inputs we have 1 and 2. Okay, so in input we have 1 and 2. And in the second element in each pair is 3, 5, 5. Okay, 3, 5, 5. Here also 5 is repeating, but we should write 5 one time only. Okay, so the output side we have 3 and 5. Okay, now here 1 is associated with 3 and 5. Okay, so plot 1 is associated with 3 and 5. Okay, and 2 in the input side is associated with 5. Okay, now 2 is also associated with 5. Okay, so from this diagram we can write it is not a function. Okay, because the given relation is not a function. Okay, one of the input, that is 1, is associated with the two outputs 3 and 5. Okay, so here one of the input 1 is associated with the two numbers 3 and 5. Okay, so as per the concept it is not a relation. Okay, sorry, it is not a function. The given relation is not a function. Okay.